Hello everybody, once again I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I've got another beautiful Hypersonic Gray Stingray to show you tonight. This is a 2023 2LT Z51 Coupe. Check this beauty out. So Hypersonic Gray, we have the carbon flash exterior accenting options, and of course we have the dark stealth badge package, or I should say cross flag package. We have the scrape armor installed here, protecting the radiators. And then we make our way around, you'll see we got a beautiful set of gray metallic Vossen forged wheels, or hydro forged, excuse me. And the exact specs of which I have listed on the website. I apologize, brain fart, and it's leaving me right now. But again, a very pretty wheel. And of course, we got the edge reg calipers. We've got our normal body color mirrors and spoiler. We'll get to the spoiler in a minute. We have an aftermarket set of Z51 badges installed that is not OEM. And again, if you don't like that, it can easily be removed. It is two-sided tape. We have a set of ACS composite black wickers installed. Here are mounted on the rear Z51 spoiler. And we have the black tipped NPP multi-mode exhaust, as well as they did a black overlay over the rear turn signal and reverse light, so it gives it more of a darker persona, if you will. All right, coming to our beautiful engine bay. Once again, we got another Z51 badge here, and this is actually in the newer Vets. They have actually a plaque here now, so that's a good spot to put it. We have, of course, the FE3 magnetic select ride suspension, and then we got the beautiful edge red engine cover here. Now, obviously, previous owner added the 500 horsepower add there, and again, it's decal. It can be easily removed if not desired. I will note, again, on all 2023 coupes, they come standard with the 70th logo listed here, so that's kind of the giveaway that it's a 23. All right, coming to the interior, so it's a 2LT, so we got the Moulin leather with our adrenaline red stitching, and of course our adrenaline red portion down here. You see the stitching and the accenting throughout the dash. We have our carbon fiber interior custom accenting here, which they also have some on the steering wheel as well. And again, the Z51 logo they left there, that is just a sticker. It can be easily removed if not desired. And of course, you can see we have the front lift with memory there and some more extra carbon fiber accenting. And then we got our beautiful GT2 bucket seats here in the adrenaline red with heated ventilated and lumbar side bolster control options. And then we got the Jake all-weather floor mat OEM options as well. All right, coming to our front trunk, you see we got enough space here to fit some bags. And of course, here is also where the battery sits, along with our brake fluid and our washer fluid reservoir. And then when closing, you want to get it right here. 2 clicks to close. This 2023 Stingray has 5,300 miles, and we got it priced at $74,995. So just to rehash, Hypersonic Gray with adrenaline red, 2LT Z51 mag ride front lift, beautiful Vossen wheels, some little accenting extras, and of course, just a gorgeous car overall. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. And if you are interested in this or any other Corvettes in my inventory, see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Please leave a like. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I think this gray with these wheels, I think it looks really sharp. I think the gray on gray with just a little bit of that red is a nice touch. But if you disagree, tell me about it. I want to hear what you think below. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you on the next one.